Hello, I am Janice B. Gordon, the customer growth expert and LinkedIn Sales 15 Innovating Sales Influencers to Follow in 2021. I'm going to share with you some proven tips and techniques that are helping sales leaders and their teams right now to modernize their sales methods and become more buyer-centric. What is the key element in all great sales leaders' toolbox? The success of every sales organization stems from an exceptional sales leader. According to Harvard Business Review, 56% of salespeople who rated their sales organization as excellent also rated their sales manager as excellent. So what is the definitive qualities and traits that separate excellent sales leaders from the average ones? First is delegating efficiently. Second is a focused mindset. Third is having a really clear vision. So what are the traits of these three would you list in your experience? A key element of sales leaders is discussed in my free Prezi training under Janice B. Gordon. Coaching is the modern sales development tool, and today in this virtual world, virtual sales coaching and training development is really important. So please do check out my 12-point virtual sales and coaching and training checklist.